Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can merge audio clips together in Adobe Premiere 2019, and it's honestly really simple. So all you want to do is just click on every clip you want to merge, or right click on it and then go to Nest. You can name it whatever you want. Let's make it Audio Rainbow 6. And then I'm going to press OK. And voila, here you got it. And how to get it back, just press Ctrl Z, or let's go again. Let's grab it together, Nest. Okay, then you will go to Edit. Redo is not working. So Ctrl Z is your way to go. And that's how we can do it. Oh, it's creating text layer, alright. So this is how you can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this, you know what you can do. You can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And that's kind of it. I don't know what else I could tell you, my friends. Wait a second, I will just audio again. Yep, thank you very much.